Okay, so I made a spring lock mechanism, but this is where I'm at currently. I have it where, let me take this off real quick. So you got a bolt, then you have this and a winged nut. So, and then I have this spring lock mechanism right here. And it's like this where you can put this thing inside here and it can go back and forth like this. Pretty fast, right? Anyways, and I got my spring right here. So it can like be pulled. Yeah. So I put this here on. This is hard. And I just gotta do that. So where it's like that, and it's like that. And then when I do that, it's like that. And you'll do it to where that's there. And if you make it too far, then locked in place. Or if you do it anyway on here, locked in place. Anyway, it's not locked in place anymore. Anyways, just make it just enough where it's like that. Then you'll put it to where it goes just about to the end. Or like that, right here. And then you'll put this spring on this winged nut and then bring it all the way out. And bring it all the way until it clips here. See? So it'll be like that. And then your thing will do that. And look how fast it goes. But that's not the thing yet. You make it to where it's like that, and then once you let go, this is what will happen. Cool, right? Anyways, I am not quite done yet, but I will keep you guys updated. Have a good day. Bye, guys.